Hi, this is the Realme Narzo 60 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's switch the contacts one. If you want, you could rename it. Also got here a library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or also we could use photo from the device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Let's find one from the similar icons to the contacts. Tap to the OK on the right upper corner and now click to add. Now just switch change next icon, click to go to the desktop directly, and we could see here our new contacts icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.